Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Codus Arcade. In this section, I will be telling you how to reverse a certain data in Python. The data can be a string or maybe a list. Before starting the video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos and also subscribe to our channel Codus Arcade and press the bell icon because with that you will receive our future uploads. Thank you. So let's get started. As I said, today's topic is how to reverse some data using a Python program. The data here can be a string or a list. So as you can see here, I am inside my PyCharm IDE. I will go to my project panel and in my workspace, I will create a new Python file. So let the name be reverse only, reverse data, and I will press enter. And let me minimize this project panel. Okay. So first of all, I am creating a data variable where I will take input from the user. So I will use the input function, and inside this I will tell the user to enter the desired data. And just to bring the control to the next line, I will give the slash and escape character. Now there are many ways in which you can do it. First of all, let me show you by taking a variable reverse. And I will use the slicing method. So for that, what I will do is I will take my data variable and using the square braces here, I will use the slicing. So I have to give two colons and finally I have to give -1. So this -1 will exactly reverse the data whichever the user will be providing. So now I have to print this reverse variable so that I can show the reversed data to the user. So let me use the print function and I will use the formatted string because I like that. F and then quote. I will write the reversed data is, and then using the placeholder I will call my reverse variable. So this is done. This is one way of doing it. Let me run the program so that I can show you the output. I'm running it now. Right click and run reverse data. You can see it's asking me for the desired data. I will give say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and press enter. You can see the reverse data is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me capitalize the first letter T. Okay, T. Let me run it again. So if I give A, B, C, D, E and press enter, you can see the reverse data is EDCBA. It has been reversed. So this is one way of doing it. And let me show you one more way. I will just comment this code out. And here I will again use the print statement. And in this case, I don't have to use the reverse variable also. Simply I will use my formatted string and I will write the reversed data is, then inside the placeholder I will just use the same line of code, this data and the slicing. So data and square brackets double colon -1. So this is done. So this is the other way. Let me run the program again so that I can show you the output. So I'm running it. So it's asking me for the data. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'll press enter. You can see this is also doing the same thing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I'm getting the desired output. Let me run it again so that I can use some characters. So here I will give say A, B, C, D, E and press enter. You can see it's doing the same thing. EDCBA. So it's working perfectly. Now this code was actually for string data. What if we have data inside any list? How to do that? In that case, let me just comment this parts out and let me take a list. So my list is equal to, inside square braces, I will take some numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can take any data, it's up to you. So now I have a list method called reverse. So I have to call my list variable, and if I use the dot operator, you can see I have this reverse option here, reverse self. If I press enter, this line of code will actually reverse the data in my list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after this line of code, if I print my list, then it will come from the end. So it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let me show you the output. So I will use the print statement, and I will use the formatted string and write the reversed data is, and here also I will use the placeholder, and I can directly call my list variable. It's simple, right? So let me just run this program so that I can show you the output. So I'm running it, and you can see the reverse data is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you can see the data in my list is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in case of list, you can use this dot reverse method. And this is very simple in Python. If you are using any other programming language, say C, C++, you have to write at least around 20 to 30 lines of code. But in case of Python, it is as simple as this. You have just 3 lines of code. So I hope you have understood the entire code. If you have any doubts in this, you can post them in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify those doubts. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Coders Arcade, and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications about our latest updates. So this is it for today. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay focused, and happy learning.